Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a cute winter Pusheen wearing a hat and a scarf. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start on the top left and let's draw a small line across. Then from the left, let's curve it up and down for the ear. And then let's continue that line down and curve it in at the bottom. Now let's hop back up to the top, and on the right, let's draw the hat. We'll start with two angled lines. And then let's connect them at the bottom with a curve. Now let's close off the top with a circle. And lastly, for the hat, inside let's draw a curve at the bottom. Now let's finish drawing the shape of the body. On the right of the hat, let's bring it out. Then let's curve it down and in at the same level as the left side. Now let's connect them at the bottom. Now that we have the basic shape of the body, let's move in and draw the face next. Inside at the top of the head, let's draw a line down, curve it over, and back up. The same thing on the right, and again on the left. Now underneath, let's draw the mouth. Let's draw a curve over to the left and over to the right. Now let's draw the eyes on either side with a circle. And then let's color both eyes in black. Next, let's add the whiskers. Let's draw two curves on the right, and then two on the left. Next, under the face, let's add the scarf. We'll start on the left side here, and let's draw a curve over and bring it up to the top. And let's do the same thing underneath. Now underneath the scarf, let's draw two lines down. And then connect them at the bottom. Then to the right, let's draw another shorter line down. And then bring it back in. Underneath the left rectangle, let's draw three lines down. And two down on the right side. Next, let's hop back up to the top, and on the right of the scarf, let's draw a curve here. And then one more U-shaped curve to the right. Now let's move over to the right side and add the tail. On the side of the body, let's draw a curve up, out, and back in. And then draw curves inside for the stripes. And lastly, let's hop down and draw the feet. Let's start on the bottom left, and let's draw a line down, a curve out, in, and then one more line down for the back of the foot. Now let's draw another one to the right here. and then 2 more underneath the bottom right of the body. And that's it for this cute winter Pusheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!